Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that could change how you think about your meals. Did you know that your eating is crucial to how long you live? A balanced diet rich in specific foods can significantly promote longevity and enhance overall health. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 foods that not only taste great, but also have the potential to help you live to 100. So, if you're curious about how to boost your lifespan through delicious choices, stick around as we uncover these incredible foods. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 1. Leafy greens. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is one of the best choices for your health. These vibrant vegetables contain essential vitamins, such as vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron and calcium. Regularly consuming leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard can significantly contribute to heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Their high antioxidant content also helps combat inflammation and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. So, adding these nutrient powerhouses to your meals is a delicious way to support a longer, healthier life. 2. Berries. Berries are delicious and a powerhouse of health benefits that can promote longevity. Packed with high levels of antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, berries help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. This makes them a fantastic choice for improving overall health. Studies have shown that consuming berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries can enhance brain health and memory, potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline as we age. By incorporating these vibrant fruits into your diet, you can enjoy their sweet flavors while reaping the long-term benefits for your mind and body. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are essential to a longevity-focused diet, offering many health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, they provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. Incorporating nuts like almonds and walnuts into your meals can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, further supporting overall wellness. Adding a variety of nuts and seeds to your diet allows you to enjoy their delicious crunch while promoting a longer, healthier life. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains promote a long and healthy life by providing essential nutrients and fiber our bodies need. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their natural bran and germ, making them rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can improve satiety and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Embracing whole grains is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall well-being. 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a cornerstone of a longevity-focused diet, primarily due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their heart health benefits, helping to lower blood pressure and reduce triglycerides. Additionally, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are crucial in reducing inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Moreover, omega-3s are essential for brain function, supporting cognitive health and potentially lowering the risk of age-related decline. You can enjoy their delicious flavors by including fatty fish in your diet while reaping significant health benefits for a longer life. 6. Legumes. Legumes are an essential part of a longevity diet, offering many health benefits that can help you live longer and healthier. Packed with high protein and fiber content, legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans promote satiety, keeping you full and satisfied. This can aid in weight management and prevent overeating. Additionally, legumes are known for reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes, thanks to their low glycemic index and nutrient density. Incorporating legumes into your meals allows you to enjoy their versatility while supporting long-term health. 7. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are a powerhouse for promoting gut health, making them a valuable addition to a longevity diet. These foods, such as yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut, are rich in probiotics, which help cultivate a healthy microbiome and improve digestion. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Additionally, fermented foods may play a role in boosting immunity and even enhancing mental health by influencing the gut-brain connection. By incorporating fermented foods into your meals, You can support your digestive system while reaping the numerous benefits for your immune and mental health. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a longevity diet staple celebrated for its numerous health benefits. Rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, it helps lower harmful cholesterol levels while raising good cholesterol, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, olive oil is packed with antioxidants, crucial in reducing inflammation throughout the body. This anti-inflammatory property is essential for preventing chronic diseases and supporting brain health. When choosing olive oil, it's necessary to opt for extra virgin olive oil, as it retains the highest levels of nutrients and flavor. Incorporating this liquid gold into your meals can significantly enhance your health and longevity. In summary, incorporating these top 8 foods, leafy greens, berries, nuts and seeds, whole grains, fatty fish, legumes, fermented foods, and olive oil, can significantly enhance longevity and overall health. Each food offers unique benefits that contribute to a longer, healthier life. We encourage you to take action by making minor changes to your meals and embracing these nutritious options. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from this valuable information. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health and longevity.